morning, sir. So as you know, today we are having voting for the head boy, head girl and other posts. What do you think, who is responsible enough to take the post of head boy in the school?
Good morning. First of all, so let me say it is not the case who will win. The case is the enthusiasm which my student have. Not only student, I am watching from yesterday the excitement in staff even.
Absolutely.
The way they are conversing, the way they are asking for the support, it means something, and it is the main cause we have gone for this voting. So I would don't want to convey who will win or who will lose. It is everybody. It is a win of all.
Okay.
And let us guide our students to be in discipline. And I am happy to see the things which are moving along. This is the first time that voting is going on.
Yes,
so
sir.
I still happy and want to congratulate all the staff and all the students.
What are your expectations from the head girl of the school?
Nothing. They should be humble. They should be disciplined, and they should set examples for the juniors to watch, to go with.
As being the director of the school, you have know the children from the childhood and through of their nature, their behavior. So there are other posts also. Do you would like to specify any other child's name to whom you really want to see in that post?
No. Let the students make their own way.
Okay. Thank you,
And
sir.
we should be with the students only.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
May the best person win.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
So, ma'am, we are very happy you introduced a new thing in the school of voting about head boy and head girl and other post for sports captain and vice captain all. So, how do you think the things gone according to your way, or we need more improvement in this?
No, I am very, very happy and I am blessed. I have such a wonderful team. The teachers, they manage this so well, and I was happy to see the excitement on the faces of the students. And it was a bit different, and they took, I think, so very positively, and I hope it will bring some improvement in their personality, in their attitude, and they'll believe us that everything was done very honestly.
Thank you, ma'am. What do you think, who will win about it?
Who will win?
When,
No, I have not voted anybody, and if there will be a tie, then I will be utilizing my vote. For me, everybody is a winner, the one who has nominated himself.
May the best person win.
Yeah, may the best person win.
Thank you so
Right.
much.
My
Thank you.
pleasure.
Good morning, Aruna ma'am.
Good morning.
So, as you are teaching 9th and 10th class, what do you think, who is more capable according to you for the post of head boy and head girl?
According to me, Parvez is more capable because he is very friendly and he can reach to the other students and he understands the problem and he talks very often to them and he solves their problems also, and he is kind-hearted. So I feel like the Parvez is more deserving candidate. Nirav is no doubt he is also good, but I feel like by seeing the students, his friendship, what they talk, he is going to be a
More familiar to the children.
more familiar.
गुड मॉर्निंग अंजू मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
सो आपने क्या सोच के हेड बॉय हेड गर्ल के लिए वोट किया है? आप तो काफ़ी पुराने टीचर हैं यहाँ पे.
मैम, ये जो एक प्लेटफॉर्म बच्चों को दिया गया है वो इसलिए दिया गया है कि ताकि बच्चों को में से थोड़ा सा लीडरशिप क्वालिटी आएगी, उनका हौसला बढ़ेगा और उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. जब वो छोटे से स्तर पर अपना चुनाव करना सीखेंगे कि क्या हमारे पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आजकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बच्चों पे कम करते जा रहे हैं क्योंकि उनका स्टडी का प्रेशर होता है. तो इससे मुझे लगता है कि शायद थोड़ा सा उनको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज डालनी शुरू करेंगे तो वो आगे जाकर थोड़ा सा जीवन में आने वाली चुनौतियों का सामना कर पाएंगे.
थैंक यू मैम. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
To whom you think is capable for the post of head boy and head girl?
Ma'am, it's depend on voting actually. We live in a democratic country, so totally depend on that.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. जैसे कि आप काफ़ी सालों से स्कूल में टीच कर रही हैं और जो बच्चे अब 10th में हैं वो आई थिंक बचपन में आपसे पढ़ रहे होंगे, तो टू whom you would like to choose as a head boy? क्या लगता है कौन कैपेबल है?
मैम, मैं देखूंगी कि वो उन्होंने आगे मेरे से भी पढ़ के वो गए हैं, बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं और आगे जाके उन्होंने किस तरह से काम किया स्कूल के.
नहीं, आपने चूज़ किया है, यू माइट हैव रिटन द नेम, सो इट इज़ इन योर माइंड हु इज़ द वन. सो कुड यू प्लीज लाइक टू टेल अस अबाउट दैट?
ऑल आर माय फेवरेट.
Okay, so it's a secret now. So you think the child is actually capable to whom you have chosen?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning, Khushbu ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So you are teaching 9th and 10th class. So you must be more aware about the 9th and 10th class students' nature and responsibility behavior.
Yes, ma'am.
So to whom you would like to choose?
I will not say right now, ma'am, because if I will choose them, they will not in my favor in future as well. Those who are competing each other.
Okay.
So I will not say that to whom I am giving.
Okay, so secret now.
Yeah, secret. Top
Okay.
secret.
Thank you. May the best one win. Thank you. Good morning, Johri ma'am. So आप यहाँ पे काफ़ी पुराने टीचर हैं. आप बताइए आप किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
नहीं, ये नाम तो नहीं बता सकते किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. ये तो
आपके हिसाब से कौन कैपेबल है? कुछ बताइए किसी बच्चे के बारे में.
बच्चे आए हैं वो सब अच्छे हैं और सभी कैपेबल हैं. उनमें से मुझे चूज करना है जो वो मैंने कर लिया.
ठीक है, आप बच्चों को काफ़ी अच्छे से जानते हैं क्योंकि आई थिंक वो आपसे बचपन से पढ़ रहे हैं फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग देम थ्रू एंड थ्रू. ओके, थैंक यू मैम. गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning.
Whom would you like to choose the head boy of the school?
Head boy Neerav.
Reason behind it?
He is very sincere and I taught him in 2nd and 3rd class. Then also he was very nice boy and responsible. Everything was good.
Do you actually think he will handle all the problems?
Sure, he will handle it.
Okay, good morning teachers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, I think you're new here. So how do you come to know to whom you have to vote or support for the head boy and head girl?
According to the way they introduce themselves in the assembly, I feel on that basis I can go for that. And according to their experience.
आपने कैसे जज किया?
When they convincing in the class also.
Okay.
Then I have decided that.
सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है वो अनुशासन है. तो वो मतलब मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो हेड गर्ल हेड बॉय बने स्कूल को डिसिप्लिन में रखे और कुछ नई एक्टिविटीज़ बच्चों को करवाए, कुछ नया सिखाए बच्चों को.
बिल्कुल सही बात है. मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपने क्या देखकर उनको वोट किया? आपने कैसे जज किया कि बच्चा ज़्यादा अनुशासन में रहेगा?
एक तो हमने उन्हें ड्यूटीज़ देते हुए देखा है बच्चों को जब
Okay.
हम बच्चों को छोड़ने के लिए बस में जाते हैं. और दूसरा हमने जब उन्होंने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया तो वहाँ पे भी हमने उन्हें काफ़ी मतलब अच्छे से जज किया जो उन्होंने अपने बारे में बताया.
To choose the head boy.
Neerav.
Why so? What is the reason behind it?
Because I think he is capable for this post.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, Parvesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
So you are standing for the post of head boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you capable of taking this post in the school?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Good morning, Athar.
Good morning, ma'am.
So I think you are also standing for a post.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much chances are there that you will win this?
80% chances are there that I will win.
Are you confident about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Athar.